Generating your MCP URL takes just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the Integrations Hub from the left-hand menu. Locate the MCP tile and click Enable. A pop-up will appear with a few requirements. Review the information and click Enable to continue. Next, select the production developer app you'd like to associate with MCP. Once selected, click Finish Configuration. Your MCP URL will be generated instantly. Copy the URL and store it securely. You'll use it to connect your AI tools to Ingram Micro. That's it. Your MCP server is now ready. Now let's connect it to your AI tool. Open your AI agent and navigate to Customize, then Connectors. Select Add Custom Connector. Enter a name for the connection and paste in your Ingram Micro MCP URL. Click Add. Within seconds, your AI agent is connected to Ingram Micro. No code, no complex setup. To learn more, contact your Ingram Micro representative or complete the interest form to get started.